Hey everyone, so you want to create stunning, beautiful, custom coloring pages in seconds. So today I'm excited to show you Colorendo. This is an AI powered tool that can turn your imaginations, your ideas into inspiring and fun coloring pages. So whether you are a teacher or a parent or just love coloring, so this tool is perfect for you. So let's dive in and see how it works. So you can open here colorendo.com. So you can see the website here, create beautiful coloring pages with ease. So generate custom coloring pages that inspire fun and learning. So you can start your free trial here. And here you can type your email and click on continue. So once you click on continue, now you will have to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address. So once you have added the code and confirmed the account, now it will redirect you to select the plan, like either monthly fun pack or annual family pack. But we will continue with trial. So once you are satisfied your trial, then you can upgrade and you can, if you want, you can purchase annual or monthly plan. So here it's asking me like, what would you like to draw? For example, if you want to generate a coloring page, example, a friendly dragon in a garden. So here I will type, for example, a cute panda playing with bamboo and click on generate. So you have 10 credits. See, this is in trial, so you can generate coloring pages and you can use them in your coloring books. Here you go. I hope you like it. See, it's amazing. You can see now the cute panda playing with bamboo. So if I click here, so you can see this one, so we can download it. So once it downloads, it will download in your downloads folder. So if you open, you can see here it's open like this. So it's amazing. Now let's try with more examples. For example, another one, a playful dolphin jumping over ocean waves, and click on generate. And you can see here, this is incredible, phenomenal, fabulous. If playful dolphin, you can see jumping over ocean waves. See, amazing, fabulous. And here now, let's try with more example, like a butterfly garden with detailed flowers, for example, and click on generate. So you can see it will generate. And you can see here it will generate stunning, you can see stunning result. And we can download and we can use this. See, a butterfly garden with detailed flowers, you can see. And then for example, another one, a friendly unicorn resting under a rainbow. So if I click on generate, you can see it will generate a friendly unicorn that resting under a rainbow. We can see like it's generating. It's amazing. You can see a friendly unicorn and it's resting under a rainbow. You can see rainbow here also, and some clouds also we can see. And kids can enjoy this because they can color these coloring pages, and you can use them in your coloring books. And this is trial, so you can upgrade and you can try if you want more. And we have tried yet 6 credits, so let's try more. We like complete our 10 credits, so let's generate more things like a wizard cat casting spells in a magical library, for example. Sometimes, if the result is not as per your requirement, you can, navigate, you can do other result. But I hope 99% the result will be okay according to your requirements, and we can see a wizard cat casting spells in a magical library, and the library also you can see. So this is amazing, honestly speaking. This is amazing. And now we try more, like actually I told 6, no, we tried 4, and now we have tried 5, so still 5 remaining. I have 5, so sorry for the one that I told you before. So actually I have tried 5. So now, for example, we tried more, like 2 to 3 more we tried. For example, let me write here a cute alien family waving from their spaceship, for example. So what we can see, what it will generate here, and it is amazing. You can see like a cute alien family will be created here, and they will be waving from their spaceship. So amazing. You can see the family of aliens waving from their spaceship. And then one more, for example, a robot dog playing with robot toys, and click on generate. So we can see what it will create. A robot dog playing with robot toys. So this is amazing. See, this is amazing. A robot toys, you can see, sorry, a robot dog playing with robot toys. Yes, so I can download and I can use them in my coloring pages. So this is amazing, honestly speaking. We have generated some coloring pages here, and this is Colorendo, amazing AI tool that can turn your text, your imaginations, your ideas into beautiful, stunning color pages. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share the video with your friends so they can learn and they can increase their professional skills. Also press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. I usually upload about AI tools, tutorials about web designing, graphics, video editing, digital media marketing, and a lot of more stuff. So thank you so much once again.